4x8 folding trailer from Harbor Freight, 17 20-pound capacity, using plywood as the deck, 5 3/8 bolts to mount each piece. We just need some brackets for here. The jack is sold separately, so you do need to pick that up when you're buying this. You will also probably need to buy some 7/16 bolts and drill out the hole where the bolts mount, and that allows you to mount the safety chains. Put the ground wire in between there to get a good ground. We had some spare 16 gauge wire, so we had to splice it in because the ground wire on this is a little bit too short. Also, the chains come together, so you have to cut them in half so you can put it on here. I could not figure out how to do it on the instructions. If you're thinking there's no ramp on the back, you are correct, but because this has a hinge point right here for the folding, you can take this pin out and the pin on the opposite side, and then just pick up here. You might need another person depending on how heavy the load is in the trailer. If you pick that up, then you can roll stuff or drive stuff out of here. After it's been used enough to get a good idea of how well it's worked, I'll post an update video.
I have a Discord server, link is in the description. Please subscribe.